Algebra. I'm asking Christian what is algebra. So he's thinking about the response. So this is his response. My dear friend, algebra is most fascinating branch of mathematics. It involves using symbols and letters to represent numbers and quantities in formulas. Okay. So this is algebra. Instead of calculating in specific numbers, we use letters to stand in for those numbers. This allows us to create formulas that can solve a wide variety of problems once the specific values are known. For instance, if you have 2 apples and someone gives you three more, algebra would remember to use the next button to move to the next slide so you know what the other slide entails. So it allows us to express the total number of apples as this, where this represents the initial number of apples. Algebra is like a magical toolbox for mathematicians and scientists alike, providing the means to explore everything from simple arithmetic to the profound truth of the click next universe. Instead, I've used algebra in many of my own theories. Okay, thank you. So that is what algebra is. Let's go back there. So let me also ask Einstein define multiplication. Let's see what's first first. Multiplication. Yeah, let's see what it has to offer us. I just asked it to define multiplication. So this is what you can do with this course. As a student, as a person that wants to learn more, to grow in your skills or whatever, this is how you can use MagicWorld. MagicWorld is a place, it's not just to play games, learn. It's a place where you can learn on anything. Are you curious of something? You want to gain more knowledge? This is the place. Just come, instruct the guy to take you to Einstein's place. So you can ask Einstein any question. So as you see, it's defining multiplication. He said, my dear friend, multiplication is quite a fundamental concept in mathematics akin to repeated addition. Imagine you have a collection of apples, say 3 piles with 4 apples in each. Instead of adding 4 plus 4 plus 4, multiplication allows you to calculate the total as 3 times 4. So remember to click on the next, resulting in 12 apples. Multiplication is the operation of scaling one number by another in the equation. Okay, in the equation, in brackets, A times B equals C, close brackets, is multiplied by dash, open bracket, B, forward slash, close brackets to yield the product of this. It can be visualized as arranging objects into rows and columns. So this is just trying to let you know Einstein can answer any question, whatever it is that you need to ask, you are curious about, you have doubt of, are you in any argument you want to know, you want to learn. This is what Einstein does. Or scaling quantities depending on the context. This concept is foundational not only in arithmetic but also in broader fields such as algebra, calculus, beyond serving as a crucial building block for understanding more complex ideas. Would you like to delve into any specific aspect of multiplication? So if you want to delve into it, you can respond to him by saying yes. Yes. two concepts. So you see how I'm relating with Albert Einstein, the AI bot. Note, this is AI bot of Albert Einstein. So we have AI bot of any character. So whatever it is that you want to learn. Okay, you want me to do with a touch more detail. So if I had a touch more detail to provide so it could provide a thorough explanation, could you kindly elaborate on the subject or idea you wish to explore, whether it's related to mysteries of space, time, intricacies? So whatever it is, it wants me. So let's go with time. Let's see what it has to us on time. So it's thinking. So whatever the case may be, if you don't have the right questions to ask, he won't give you the right answer. So it's like a prompt. If you have, you need to prompt it. You know how you use ChatGPT. This is exactly how it is. But we are not using ChatGPT. We are using a screen recording whereby you can interact with it. More features will be added to it whereby it will communicate back with you, to talk to you. As you're talking to him, like I'm talking now, I'll ask a question. Instead of typing, I'll ask and he will respond to me. He will respond back to me with his voice. So those are the more details that will be added. That is why it's better than ChatGPT. That is why it will be better than ChatGPT with time. So let's get his response. He said, time. This is trying to respond to my question because I said, let's talk about time. A most fascinating subject indeed, my dear friend. As I, Einstein, have pondered extensively, time is not merely a simple linear progression that sits uniformly for all. Instead, it is intertwined with the fabric of space itself, what we might call space-time. In my theory of relativity, remember to click the next button so you can see the next slide of what he's trying to talk about. Propose that time can bend and stretch, influenced by factors such as gravity and relative velocity. Imagine, if you will, riding on a beam of light. To you, time would behave quite differently compared to those observing from a stationary position. This interplay between space and time is among the most. Remember to click the next button, like I said. Intriguing and mind-bending aspect of the universe. Is there a particular, if it's asking now, is there a particular aspect of time, or perhaps its relation to relativity that piques your curiosity? Let us delve deeper together. Well, I don't want to ask more questions. It has responded to what I need. So let's go to physics.